प्यारे बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज बच्चों हम डेरिवेटिव के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो डेरिवेटिव जो है वो लिमिट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। यू मस्ट हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ द लिमिट्स बिफोर डिस्कसिंग द डिफरेंशिएशन। तो डेरिवेटिव की मैथमेटिकली डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? इफ y is equal to fx be a function, then its derivative is denoted by dy upon dx is equal to f dash x, and that is equal to limit of h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is also called first principle. This is also called derivative, definition of the derivative of a function f dash x. If you have to find the derivative of a function at any point a, then putting x is equal to a, you can find the derivative of a function at any point a. F dash a will be equal to limit of h approaches to 0 f of x के स्थान पर a plus h minus f of a upon h. This case we have already discussed in +1 class. Find the derivative of a function at any point a by first principle, and this is the procedure. Now let us discuss some important formulas which you can prove by also this method, by this first principle. The first formula is derivative of x की power n, that is equal to n into x की power x n minus 1, where n is any real number. It may be negative, it may be fractions, it may be 0. Second formula is d upon dx of e की power x, that is equal to e की power x. And third formula is d upon dx of a की power x, where a is positive. A cannot be negative. A is positive number, real number, then that is equal to a raised to power x into log of a base e. Log of a base e. This is very, very important. And if the question is find the derivative of 5 raised to power x, then you can write it as d upon dx of 5 की power x, that is equal to d upon 5 की power x into log of 5 base e. In this case, we can also write log of e base e, but log of e base e is equal to 1, hence there is no need to write here log of e base e. So these are the three important basic formulae of the derivatives. And fourth is d upon dx of log of x, that is equal to 1 by x. Log of x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1/x. 1 by x is the derivative of log x. So you have to claim these formulae. You can derive these formulae by the first principle also, first time, and then you can claim them and you can apply them in the questions. That's all. Now let us discuss some important formulas. D upon dx of fx raised to power n, that is equal to n into fx की power n minus 1 further derivative of fx. Same formula as the formula of derivative of x की power n. n into x की पावर n minus 1. फर्दर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती है क्योंकि x का डेरिवेटिव 1 होता है. और ये फार्मूला, एक्चुअल फार्मूला ये है d अपॉन dx ऑफ fx की पावर n, that is equal to n into fx की पावर n minus 1 further derivative of fx by chain rule. Similarly, second is d upon dx of e की पावर x था, अब हो जाएगा fx. Same formula, e की power fx as in e की power x is derivative of e की power x. Further derivative of fx. This is the second formula by chain rule. By definition of a derivative, e की power fx is equal to e की power fx further derivative of fx. Third is d upon dx of a की power fx is equal to a की power fx further derivative of fx भी होगा और log of a भी होता है इसमें into further derivative of fx, that can be written as f dash x. And fourth is d upon dx of log of fx, that is equal to 1 by fx into further derivative of fx. So this is the formula log of fx, and this formula is applicable in the questions of the type log of sin x, 1 upon sin x further derivative of sin x, e की power sin x into log a further derivative of a की power fx, a की power sin x into log a further derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Similarly e की power x square का डेरिवेटिव, तो इस फार्मूले को अप्लाई करेंगे, e की पावर x square further derivative of x square, that is 2x. So these formulas are very, very, very important for examination point of view. Sin x की power n into sin x की power n minus 1 further derivative of sin x. Similarly, you can apply these formulas in the applications of the derivatives. Thank you. हाँ बच्चों, now let us discuss another formulas which are applicable in the applications, which are used in the applications. The formula is d upon dx of any constant k. If there is any constant k, then its derivative is 0, because you can write k as d upon dx of k is equal to, taking k outside, d upon dx of 1, and 1 can be written as k into d upon dx of x raised to power 0, variable x raised to power 0, because derivative is with respect to x. And applying the formula x की n, derivative of x की power n, and that is 0 into x की power 0 minus 1, and whole this becomes 0. So hence derivative of any constant k is always 0. This is the formula which you have to claim now, which you can apply in the questions, in the applications of the derivatives. Now let us discuss another formulas which are applicable. First formula is derivative of sin of fx, not x. Formula is cos of fx further derivative of fx. This is the formula which we have to apply in the NCERT questions. Sin of fx is equal to positive, because it does not start from CO, cos of fx or further derivative of fx. Second is d upon dx of cos of fx, that is equal to minus sin of fx and further derivative of fx. बस आपको पिछले फार्मूले आपको याद होने चाहिए, फर्दर डेरिवेटिव लेना है fx का. यदि यहाँ fx के स्थान पर x के स्थान पर fx है, तो आगे इसका दोहरा डेरिवेटिव लेना होता है, और इसको बोलते हैं चेन रूल. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड चेन रूल. ये चेन चलती रहती है आगे से आगे. जब तक ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट ना हो. By chain rule, you can solve the applications. And third is similarly d upon dx of tangent x fx is equal to secant square fx further derivative of fx and derivative of cot x cot fx is equal to minus cosecant square fx into further derivative of fx. And similarly you can write the other formulas. Derivative of secant fx, that will be equal to secant fx into tan fx and further derivative of fx. So now let us write the another two formulas. Fifth is d upon dx of secant fx, that is equal to secant fx into tangent fx further derivative of fx. Further derivative of fx can also be written as, in short, f dash x. So this is the derivative of secant fx, that is equal to secant fx into tangent fx further derivative of fx. And last is derivative of cosecant fx, that is equal to minus cosecant fx into cot fx into further derivative of fx, that is written as f dash x, or this is also called chain rule. So these are the formulas which we have to apply in the applications of the derivatives. That's all. Now let us discuss the algebra of derivatives. Algebra. First formula of the algebra of derivative is d upon dx of fx plus gx. You can take the separate derivative d upon dx of fx plus d upon dx of gx. This is the first formula of the algebra of a derivative. Derivative of fx plus gx is equal to d upon dx of fx plus d upon dx of gx. It is also called derivative of fx plus gx with respect to x. This is very important point to be noted. With respect to लिखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. Second is d upon dx of fx minus gx, that is equal to, again you can take the separate derivative d upon dx of fx with respect to x minus d upon dx of gx with respect to x. This is the second formula of the algebra of derivative. Third formula is d upon dx of k time fx. You can take constant k outside the derivative, k into d upon dx of fx. This is the third formula of the algebra of a derivative. Fourth formula, that is also called product rule. Now let us discuss the formulae of the trigonometrical functions. Derivative of the trigonometrical functions. The first formula of the trigonometrical function is derivative of d upon dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. You can also prove it by the first principle. taking fx is equal to sin x. Second formula is d upon dx of cos x, a trigonometrical function which start from the digits from the letter co have negative derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Third is derivative of tangent x. Tangent x का derivative positive होगा because it does not start from the letter co, secant square x. Fourth formula is d upon dx of cot x. Its derivative will be negative because it starts from the letters of the English alphabet co, cot x. That is minus cosecant square x. Fifth is derivative of secant x. Its derivative will be positive and value is secant x into tan x. This is the formula of the derivative of the secant x. And last is derivative of the cosecant x. It will be negative and its value is minus cosecant x into cot x. These are the formulas of the trigonometrical functions, derivatives of the trigonometrical functions. These are the basic formulas. You can prove all these formulas by first principle, by applying the definition of the derivative. That's all. Now let us discuss the application of these formulas. The question is, differentiate y is equal to cos of under root x. According to the questions, y is equal to cos of x under root. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy upon dx, that is equal to d upon dx of cos of x under root. You have to apply here the formula of cos of fx, that is minus sine of fx, further derivative of fx. This implies dy upon dx will be equal to minus sine of x under root minus sine of fx, further derivative of fx, further d upon dx of x की power 1 by 2. x under root can be written as x की power 1 by 2. Now चेन अभी समाप्त नहीं हुई है, अब इसका दोबारा डेरिवेटिव लेना है x की पावर 1 by 2. बेसिक फार्मूला इज x की पावर m माइनस साइन ऑफ x अंडर रूट इंटू 1 by 2 इंटू x की पावर 1 by 2 minus 1. No need to write the derivative of further x because derivative of x is 1. n into x की पावर n minus 1, ये फार्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई हुआ. माइनस साइन ऑफ x अंडर रूट 1 by 2 as it is and x की पावर minus 1 by 2, and x की पावर minus 1 by 2 can be written in the denominator as x की पावर 1 by 2 minus sine of x under root divided by 2 into x की पावर 1 by 2, and that is equal to minus sine of x under root divided by 2 into x under root. This is the derivative of cos of x under root. So this is the applications of by the chain rule. Derivative of cos of x under root is minus sine of x under root divided by 2 into x under root. That's all. Now the next question is differentiate 2 into under root of cot of x square. d upon dx of 2 into cot of x square under root is equal to, taking 2 outside, constant can be taken outside the sign of derivative. d upon dx of cot of x square raised to power 1 by 2. Taking 2 outside, and cot of x square raised to power 1 by 2, because square root can be converted as the power 1 by 2. Now applying the formula of derivative of fx की power n, 2 into fx की power n का derivative n into cot of x square raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1, further derivative of cot of x square. Applying the chain rule, that is equal to cancel 2 and 2 cancelled. We get cot of x square raised to power minus 1 by 2 and derivative of cot of fx. Derivative of cot of fx is negative cosecant square fx, means cosecant square x square. Further derivative of x square, चेन रूल अभी समाप्त नहीं हुआ है, d upon dx of x square. Derivative of cot of fx is equal to minus cosecant square fx. Further derivative of this fx, because it is not x, it is x square. It is playing the role of fx. Further derivative of fx, and taking minus outside, and this becomes, at the denominator become positive, minus outside, minus cosecant square x square upon cot of x square under root, and further derivative of x square is 2 into x की power 2 minus 1. Chain rule समाप्त, and it becomes minus 2 into x cosecant square x square divided by cot of x square under root. So therefore you can apply chain rule and various formulas of the trigonometry, derivative of trigonometry, in these applications. This is very, very important to apply the formulas in these questions, in these applications. Thank you.